have our first cast. Come on. Let's go. Let's get a good whiting here. Come on, whiting. Oh, yes. Fish, first cast. In literally the first few seconds. Oh, wait. Yeah, still on. Fish already, guys. In the first 5 seconds that I chucked it out there. That is insane. Let's get this guy on the shore. Come on. Please be big enough. Oh, he seems alright. Oh, that's a good whiting. Yes. Guys, this is literally insane. In the first 5 seconds that I casted my yabby out there, I've already got a good whiting. We're going to do an insane catch and cook after this. Get ready for like non-stop action. Get another line out there. Let's go. Oh, come on. What a fish. Oh, man. Yes, guys. This is literally insane. I caught a fish on the first cast. There he is. Wow, that's a good whiting in there. Look at that. Oh, just there. But wow, literally the first 5 seconds I chucked it out there, we already got a fish. This bank is loaded with yabby holes everywhere, and there are some big whiting lying in those waters. So be prepared for like a crazy video going on. Let's go, guys. Come on. That was only the first cast. Okay guys, second cast. Let's see if we can get another big whiting in 2 fish in 2 casts. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, so the other one was in like the first 5 seconds. Let's see how far we get this one. Come on, whiting. Come on, big whiting. Let's catch another one out. This yabby banks is like, this bank right here is loaded with yabbies, and I think there's a lot of good whiting on there. Oh, getting some bites here. Getting some bites. Come on, take it, take it, take it. Take it. Oh, dropped him, dropped him, dropped him. That was good, that was good. He pulled, but I was just too slow. Oh, no way. That was a good fish. Come on, mate. I think I don't have any bait left. Just dropped him. He was on, but I was just a bit too slow. Oh, clean me. There are some good fish out there, guys. Let's go. Okay. Oh yeah, just take it out of my bag. Okay, third cast here with the yabby. Let's go. Just dropped the whiting last cast, but before I caught one on my first cast, so let's see if I can get another one here. Come on, whiting. Big whiting, just come on and take it. Let's go here. Oh, some good bites. I should have probably struck. Yeah, on. This one's decent. Oh, he's good. I think he's pretty good. Come on, mate, get him. Oh, yes. No way. 2 whiting in 3 casts, guys. Is this a record or something? That was 10 seconds. Okay, please get him. Oh, it's biting pretty hard. He's pulling. Oh, yes, here he is. Come on, mate, come up. Come up. Oh, that's a stonker. That is a stonking whiting, guys. What the flip? Oh. Huh? No, is he foul hooked? Oh, yes. Yes. Guys, look at that whiting. That is huge. Let's go. Bloody rip, mate. Oh, he just came up the hook. Get him up there. Kick him up there, Nate. Come on. This is whiting fishing in its prime, guys. This is literally insane. Hey, put him in the bucket, mate. Get him in. Oh, look at that, guys. 2 whiting. First one was the smallest, but he's still big. And the second one, Nate, it's like 30 something centimeters. Yes, Nate, come on. Yes. Let's go. 2 whiting in 3 casts, guys. We literally just rocked up here. And let's go. Come on, whiting. Let's go, big whiting. Let's get another one in, guys. Guys, so let's cast this yabby out again. This is the 4th cast. We've already caught 2 big whiting in 3 casts, guys. This is insane. And they were both in like the first 10 seconds. Let's catch another one here. Come on, whiting. Let's go, big whiting. Where are you? Take this yabby. Oh, there's a big one right there. Oh, bites on. Just like that, guys. Just like that. He's got a bit of weight to him as well. Let's get him in. I don't think he's as big as the last one, but I think he's decent. This is shallow water fishing, guys. This is crazy. Come on, come on. Oh, he's coming towards shore. Oh, he's all right. He's definitely not as big as the last one, but he might just walk out a bit more, and then check it out. Guys, 3 whiting in 4 casts. This is insane. More. Yeah, that's right. That's right on the money. Okay. So we got to those 2 big guys in those huge whiting. That is thick as. Now let's see if this guy makes the cut of, what is it, 23 centimeters? Is it 22 or 23? Open your mouth, mate. Okay, good job. Now let's measure him. Oh, the measuring stick's in my bag. Here, we'll just put him in there for now. I gotta measure him. Wow, this is crazy. You got this, Nate. Just walk back a bit and give it some movement. Fish on? Nate's on. Nate's on, guys. This is crazy. Oh. You're just dragging him. Go, Nate. Just walk backwards. What the? Oh, I know. Wait, what is that? That's a flathead. That's a flathead, guys. Oh, he's a bit small, but Nate, shut up.
No, literally,
Nate,
I chucked it there.
Nate, let's go.
It had a bit of weight on it, and he just took it straight away.
Guys, a flathead. What the? Wait, so I've had 4 casts, 3 fish. Nate's had his first cast, and he's already got a flathead. And I've got 3 nice whiting. This is insane. So I was about to measure that whiting, now we got a flathead. What the? Okay. Whew, this is crazy stuff. Get the measuring stick out. Wait, I've got to get my line back out there. Let's see if, oh, he's jumped out of the thing. See if this guy, is it, I think it's 23. Don't know if it will make it. He is 22. So we have to put him back. That's alright though. Okay, catch and release, guys. Here we go. Let's walk out a bit. Give him some room. There he goes. There he goes. Yeah, let's measure this flathead. Oh, he's 31. So 10 more centimeters on him, but we'll chuck that one back. He's a bit spiky, so watch out. Oh, the one, guys. Oh, this is insane. Hey guys, this is the craziest fishing ever. Can't believe how many fish we've caught. I've had 4 casts, caught 3 whiting. Nate's had his first cast, caught a flathead, and this is my 5th cast. Oh, I'm already getting bites. Come on, big whiting. Come on, take it, mate. Take it. This is weird. Come on.
Take it?
I don't get it. Maybe something's on. Oh wait. Wait, this is weird. I think I have one on here. Maybe. Yeah, I have something. Wait. Oh, what is that? It's a toadfish, of course. I didn't cast it out far enough. Toadfish, guys. So I guess that's 4 fish in 5 casts, but that doesn't really count. Get this guy off the hook. Wait, is this my 5th cast or? Hey guys, I can't remember what number cast this is. I think like 5th, or 6th maybe. Just, oh yeah, already on, guys. On. That was crazy. Okay, come on, get in. Wait, he was. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here's a bit of weight to him. Get up here, mate. Get up here. Oh. Yeah. Oh, 22 again. That's a... Okay, measure him.
Nah.
I think he's 22. This one was like, he's 21. Yeah. Fighting there, he's there. He's swimming off now. Nice. And let's get this bait rigged up and catch another fish.
What?
4 whiting, 1 toadfish, 1 flathead, I think. Okay, let's catch a big whiting here. Yep. Oh, I think something was on it there. Oh, that's why I was clean. Bites here. Okay guys, we're just packing up from the spot here. and we're going to move from here over to there. Try fish along there, but let's just pack up here and yeah, I'll just dry this off a bit, mate. Guys, if you're targeting whiting, like a really big tick to have is yabby holes everywhere, because the whiting love coming up in these yabby holes and feeding yabby holes. But if you're targeting whiting and there's yabby holes around, it's probably a good spot. Bites. Come on. Oh, I could have tugged at that one. I think I might have something on here. Oh no, maybe not. I think it, oh yeah, I have something on. I have something on here. Oh, it's a whiting. Nice guys, another whiting. I think it's like about the same size as the other two small ones that we got, like 2 or 3 ones that 20 something centimeters. Oh, there's a big one in there, that one's big. Another nice whiting, guys. Yeah, no, just leave it out there. Let's get this guy back in the water, man, he's flapping everywhere. And I'll just measure this guy. I'm just gonna measure. Okay, you're getting measured, mate. Oh, 21 again. 2 centimeters off. Put him back. Nate got some bites as well, did you? Okay, we're releasing this whiting here, guys. Catch and release again. There he goes. There he goes. Hey, I'm just gonna have another cast here because it's good. Before it was on. It's so weird. You gotta catch him again. Just chuck your line out here, Nate. Yes. Getting. Oh, there we go. That time we're on. See, that's on. The drag's going off.
Not bad.
Oh, he's pretty good. Oh, he's all right. Oh, that tiny fish fought so hard. Wow. that tiny fish fought actually so hard, man. That was funny. Wait, don't chuck your line out. I reckon there's some bigger ones there. He was pulling drag and stuff. How? Guys, this little guy that I just caught, he actually fought pretty hard. That's a big whiting there, guys. Look at that. Nate, look at, hold him up to the camera. Hold him up. In front of this beautiful water. Wow. Yeah. Nice. Okay, well, let's release him, Nate. Let's see how good your catch and release skills are. Oh, he's off. Perfect. Beautiful fish. Okay, guys, we're just having a bit of a break here. Check out this location. This is amazing. Wow. And I think we'll head up around this point soon, but we get some chips. Hey guys, Nate's already headed back, my brother, and we're gonna be heading back now. Let's go. Come on. Got to get back to where Nate and Pop are fishing. I think Nate just pulled in a fish. I called him up. I think Nate just pulled in a fish. But so we got to get back to there as quick as possible. Man, I can't believe how fast this was. This is actually a pretty far way to go. And now I have to get back there. But I got to get back and get some more whiting, guys. If Nate caught a big fish there, I think that's like how many whiting you caught, like 10 or something? Yeah, anyway, let's go. Yeah, we're almost there. Can see Nate and Pop just there. Oh, come on, we got to get over there. Did you catch something? Actually, I thought you were kidding. Did it? Is it? Nate caught a whiting. Oh, can I? Oh, it's alive. Wait, so you caught a nice legal whiting there.
More than legal. Not as big as yours.
Nice, Nate. Joe, can I take a look at it or?
It was on Poppy's road when you called it.
Nice. 3 fish in the bag now. 3 legal. Oh, it's splattered in my face. Catch some more, Nate.
Oh, Poppy's on. Big fish back.
Poppy, Pop's onto a good fish here. Go, that's big.
Yes.
Go, Pop. Is this like a? Go, Pop. Go, Pop. That's it. Oh, come on, get this in. Get this in. You got this, Pop. Yep. Take a step back. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, it's a good whiting. Good whiting. Oh, that's big. Nice. That's a good whiting. Get him up there. That's good, Pop. That's like 25 centimeters or something. Wow, the whiting. Huh?
More than 25 centimeters.
That'd be like 29 or something. Nice pop. Great whiting, almost 30, I reckon. Oh, that's big. Yeah, that's like, that's pretty good. Here, let's measure get middle zipper. Nice whiting pop. Really, I'll have a quick look. Nate, do you know where we put the measuring stick? Pop just pulled in another good whiting. That one's legal as well. That's good.
You grab it?
Yeah, I'll grab it. I got a yabby man, but nice pop. He's fucking sanding around everywhere. Oh shoot. Hey, can you just reel a bit of slack in? Oh, bugger. That's another good fish. Shoot. Guys, check out these awesome fish here that we caught. These beautiful whiting. Look at that. In this amazing location here. Barbie Island's over there. Caught them just in these sand flats here. This is silly to action, but wrapping it up here. Look at those whiting. Nate, hold one up for us. Hold the big one up. This is the biggest one that I caught, I'm pretty sure. Nate, stand up. Look at that. That is a nice whiting. Yeah, yes. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did filming it. We're so stoked that we get to catch fish in this beautiful location. And we caught so many amazing whiting. Check out all those great fish. I think we caught around like, so those are all the big ones that we get to keep and eat. Do a catch and cook. Join us for the catch and cook at home. We'll show you cooking them and eating them. Can't wait, but yeah, we got to head home. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for more fishing videos. Yeah. Subscribe to Baxter and Nate. Do you have anything to say?
You.
Join us for the catch and cook now. Okay, we're just up to cleaning the fish here. Let's go. Scale them. Chips from the local chip shop just up there, and fish and chips will be amazing. Yeah, Nate caught a flathead and a nice one. Yeah, guys, here's the fish that we caught. Look at that. Who wants the big one?
You're gonna let back to have the big one.
You sure?
Quickly,
Oh, Nenny, you have the big one.
no, I don't want the big one. Honestly, I just want this to quickly close
Oh,
up before it
yum.
gets cold.
This is the big whiting that I caught. Let's go, Nate, catch and cook. Have a try, Nate. Have a try of
You want,
this.
mate? Quick.
Grab one.
Yeah.
Okay, Nate, have a try. Dig into it.
Yeah.
Have a try.
Yeah. Ready?
Oh, it's still hot.
Comes off.
Did you catch one each?
Oh, what?
I wrapped it up
Took
with
3 minutes.
Yum.
Full
Let's
apart.
try this big fish.
Yum.
Oh, that's like tender and yum. It's really well. What'd you put on the end of that? Like, that tastes good.
flour and salt.
Secret recipe.
Mm.
Share it on YouTube.
Don't share it. Thanks guys for watching. This whiting tastes amazing. Yum. Yeah.